Hi folks, coming from sunny Los Angeles, California. I am over here in my work shed and I have a project that I'm working on. I am going to bring some old paint back to life. This here is water-based acrylic paint, and basically I have a project of 6 kitchen knobs that I'm going to go ahead, I am going to repaint white. But I just needed just a little small amount of paint, so instead of me going over to Lowe's or Home Depot where I usually go, I went ahead and I had some paint already in storage. This was about 3 years old. It's nice water-based acrylic paint, but I have a problem. When I went ahead and put it away for storage, I did not seal it all the way through, so air got through it and it got all stiff. So what I did to bring it back to life, a little bit of water. So I took some water and kept on mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing around for about 5, maybe about 8 minutes. And then guess what, guys? It came back to life. And then also too, if it's a little bit too thick, just a little bit more water. And then you just keep on mixing it up and mixing it up and mixing it up and everything else too, and you get it to go back to form the way it is. Now this is not the best way to save paint. I'm all for the environment, to make things work, maybe save a buck or two, something like that, because if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I'm cheap, okay? And that's not open for debate. I can admit it myself. But also too, what I usually do, this here is for one of our security fences that we have in a gate here. This is black paint. And if I ever do any kind of touch-up work or something like this is in a glass jar, one of our old jars here with a plastic lid. And this is the ideal way to go ahead and store paint. And then also too, this one here, I put the date on it, outside wall paint. And also too, a little reminder for me to go ahead and save it. So I mean, if you need any tips on bringing paint back to life, if you have any projects, instead of just throwing it out and you know that you're going to go ahead and use it in the future, why don't you just go ahead and do what I did, just go ahead and save it. If you have any tips or any comments, leave them below. Catch you on the next video. I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy your day, enjoy the rest of the summer. Blessings to you all, and I'll catch you on the next video. Goodbye for now.